Welcome to Asia, the largest continent with over 4.5 billion people. This continent is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks. In China, you'll find the Great Wall, which stretches over 13,000 miles and was built to protect ancient kingdoms. In Nepal, stand in awe of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, towering at 29,032 feet. And in India, visit the majestic Taj Mahal, a symbol of love and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Asia is not only famous for its history and landmarks, but also for its rich resources. China leads in manufacturing, and India is known for its vast information technology industry. Next, we journey to Africa, the birthplace of humanity and home to the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert. In Egypt, the ancient pyramids stand as one of the most iconic wonders of the world. Built more than 4,500 years ago, in Kenya, you can experience thrilling wild safaris, where you might spot lions, elephants, giraffes, and zebras roaming freely. Nigeria, one of Africa's largest countries, is famous not only for its vibrant music scene, especially Afrobeat, but also for being the most populous Black nation in the world. Africa is rich in natural resources like gold, diamonds, and oil, and it plays a crucial role in the global economy. Fun fact, Africa is so vast and diverse that it's made up of over 50 countries, each with its own unique cultures, languages, and landscapes. Now, let's explore North America, where the United States, Canada, and Mexico shine with diversity. In terms of size, North America ranks as the 3rd largest continent in the world, after Asia and Africa. From the iconic Statue of Liberty in the USA to the breathtaking icy beauty of Canada's Rocky Mountains, there's so much to see. Mexico is home to ancient ruins like Chichen Itza, a pyramid built by the ancient Maya, while Canada boasts stunning forests, lakes, and the majestic Niagara Falls. North America is known for its technological innovations and vast natural resources, including oil, natural gas, and timber. Fun fact, the United States is famous for its space exploration, like the Apollo moon landing, which made history in 1969. Onward to South America, which ranks as the 5th largest continent in the world, after Asia, Africa, North America, and Europe, where jungles, mountains, and ancient civilizations come together. In Brazil, the Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest, and the Amazon River is the longest river system in the world. Peru is home to the ancient Inca city of Machu Picchu, hidden high in the Andes Mountains. Argentina has the beautiful Patagonia region, where glaciers and stunning lakes await explorers. South America is also known for its resources, including coffee, soybeans, and natural gas. Fun fact, Brazil is famous for hosting the world's largest carnival every year. Now we head to the coldest, most remote place on Earth, Antarctica. Antarctica ranks as the 5th largest continent in the world, after Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. This icy continent is known for its extreme temperatures, with some of the coldest weather recorded anywhere on Earth. While there are no countries here, it is home to amazing wildlife like penguins, seals, and whales. Scientists live in research stations studying the frozen land. Antarctica holds about 60% of the world's fresh water, and its glaciers are a key part of our planet's climate system. Fun fact, it's the only continent with no permanent human population. Let's visit Europe, where history and modern life mix perfectly. Europe ranks as the 6th largest continent in the world, after Asia, Africa, North America, South America, and Antarctica. In France, see the Eiffel Tower in Paris, a symbol of love and light. Italy boasts the ancient Colosseum in Rome, where gladiators once fought. Switzerland has stunning snowy mountains like the Swiss Alps, perfect for skiing. Germany is known for its rich history, castles, and beer festivals. Europe is also home to famous resources like wine from France and olive oil from Greece. Fun fact, the United Kingdom is famous for its royal family and historic castles like Windsor Castle. Last stop, Australia. Australia ranks as the smallest continent in the world, coming in at number 6, right after Europe. This island continent is famous for its unique animals like kangaroos, koalas, and the amazing Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world. In Sydney, Australia's largest city, you can see the iconic Sydney Opera House and climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge. The Outback is a vast desert region full of ancient rock formations like Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock. Australia is rich in natural resources including coal, gold, and iron ore. Fun fact, Australia is the only country that's also a continent. And that's our whirlwind tour of the 7 continents. From the icy beauty of Antarctica to the vibrant cultures of Africa and beyond, each continent is filled with unique landmarks, wildlife, and wonders. Which continent would you like to explore first? The world is full of adventure and there's so much more to discover. Let's keep exploring together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new adventure.